Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the level that I talked about previously are still holding a little bit of false hope here, and the false hope comes in the sense of that the price actually did break above 0018, which again I've talked about previously as in the level of resistance, shot up there, but unfortunately the price just dropped right back below it. But on that front, at least the price broke above it and showed that the price did have enough power to do so. On the flip side, it would have been worse had the price broken down here and then come back up. I mean, that would be great that the price came back up, but that would have been a situation where it's like, okay, well, now all of a sudden that support level has been violated. So does that mean that the bears are gaining more control? But that's not what happened here, right? The opposite happened is the resistance level was violated. So it does bring about, now it doesn't guarantee anything, but it does bring about a more than valid question of, okay, maybe the bulls are starting to gain some strength because sure, the price wasn't able to maintain the break, but at least the price was able to break in the first place. And then on the flip side of things, the bulls continue to do a great job of holding up above 0017. So at the end of the day, it still boils back to the levels that I've talked about over the past couple of days. But I mean, grab the popcorn because you got to think when one of these levels is broken, that some sort of bigger movement will occur. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, but with just as tight as this range has been over multiple days now, like I said, doesn't guarantee that there's going to be a big move. But it does make it a valid and a rational thought to throw out there that, you know what, maybe if one of these levels is officially broken, it could really get things going. But again, 0018 going to be that main area of resistance, 0017 main level of support. And as long as this thing keeps on trading those billions of shares, then it's got a chance because very clearly it's going to take a lot of volume to get this thing moving. But the lot of volume, that requirement is being met. Not just a question of, can enough show up, whether that be buyers and sellers, to make any sort of worthwhile price movement. So let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.